Might have a good one for you boys. Steve, almetaldryevent.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind the dryer, and your dryer just backs straight into it. This house has one on it too. However, I'm gonna tell you, man, she's saying a couple years. Man, I hadn't been out here in a couple years. Now, I know it for a fact. So what that's telling me is, and then she also said that it is taking her multiple cycles. Gas dryer, so we all know it takes it a second to heat up, but a gas dryer is very efficient. So here's the house though. Nice one story. Look behind me. Look at this. Absolutely heaven. But on a crawl space, goes down through the crawl. Not really that long of a vent. So let me get some toys out and let's go check it out. All right, before we even go and look inside, let's come around here and check the outside. Now laundry's a little bit farther in. It's not right there on the back wall, but oh my gosh, guys. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, man. Holy cow. Okay. Goodness. Alright, I think that's working. Let's see. Next, guys, let's go inside, turn the machine on, then I'm gonna clean it out from the outside, then we'll pull the machine and go from there. I don't know what to expect on this. Hit that like button, guys. Come on, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on, man? Come on. All right. Let's see. Can't see back there, but Alright, first thing we're gonna do, take an airflow. And you guys see it right there. $787. We gotta be able to beat that. Alright, boys and girls. Here we go. Mm. Oh man. Now you guys should be able to watch and see the stuff shooting out farther and farther. I don't know, but you should. We'll see if it shows up. Man. See, it's all wrapped up. Oh man. Goodness. Oh man. Here it comes. Yep. electric motor. Yeah. So I'm not getting the airflow from that blower that I feel like I should. And I'm wondering if the duct has come apart some way, somehow. Looks good from this side. It's a clean vent. But hopefully this crawl space isn't too bad. Please don't be too bad. Please. Please don't be too bad. Oh, shit. So I see my duct over there. Jeez, dude, how in the hell? Look at this. You can't get through anywhere. Man, before I go do all that, I'm gonna test the airflow. Yeah. And I mean, when I went under there, guys, the duct looked good. There was no need for me to I hope. Let's go test this airflow. I hope. Friggin' hope. Because I don't want to crawl through that stuff. I don't have to, but I can already feel it. Yes. Cool. Guys, you don't know how happy that makes me not to have to crawl through there. So now I just gotta clean these louvers off. You know, you guys can do this too. A lot of homes have either a 3 or a 4 louver setup. And you know, I gotta clean them up, but sorry, I'm doing this backwards. But you just make a U. There's a hole over here too. So to pull them out, you just make a U, and then to put them back in. Sorry, dude. Try this again. So you've got a hole, same on this side. You've got nipples on each side there. So one goes in the hole, that one goes in that one. So on and so forth. And it doesn't matter if you have a 3 or a 4 louver damper. But let me clean these off real quick. I'll be right back. Look at that, boys and girls. Now I gotta clean my mess up out here. Look at there, boys and girls. See? Clean up after yourself, guys. That's what gets you those repeat customers. I mean, it's little things, man. A lot of customers, you know, some customers will tell you, don't worry about cleaning it up. Don't worry about it, blah, blah, blah. Man, don't fall for that trap. Oh, you better clean your mess up. I almost made one right there with that bag ripping. Clean your mess up. All right, boys and girls, that's gonna wrap this one up. Steve, almetalDriving.com. I appreciate you guys joining me, and we hope to see you on the next one.